Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Cake is sweet and soft. Fairy is beautiful. An elephant is big. Fruits are healthy. A baby is playing with blocks. Cookies are yummy. My toy car is red. This is an ambulance. An ant is sitting on a chair. These are animals. An ant works hard. An aeroplane is flying on the sky. A cow eats grass. This is a cat. Curtains are beautiful. This is my school bag. It is my school bus. A beautiful bird is flying. A boy is drawing. My colors are in a beautiful basket. Trash is in the dustbin. A boy is driving a car. I like to eat donut. The door is open. My toy doll is pretty. A falcon has strong wings. The fish swims in water. A red rose is beautiful. This is an egg. We are enjoying together. My gloves are beautiful. I am doing my work. Honey is sweet. My hat is beautiful. This is a beautiful hat. A cat is inside the box. An ice cream is very cold. Juice is sweet. Jelly is soft. A jet can fly fast. This is a joker. A girl is dancing. Mom is cooking delicious food. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth daily. I can climb high. I enjoy cycling. A boy is painting. A boy is drawing a beautiful tree.